Happy Tuesday, folks. Today is another day, hopefully, that you're going to be feverishly writing all about your animal and teaching your readers everything that you've learned about to get them excited. And speaking of that, I think it might be helpful for you to consider an introduction. So in addition to using your rubric and making sure that you are focusing on a specific type of structure when you write and you're using your rubric to do that, another thing that you want to do is write an introduction. So I'm going to share my screen with you right now to show you a sample of an introduction so that you can see what it is that we wrote when we did our piece on the penguin. So here we go. Here's our final piece on the fierce penguin, not highly, highly respected animal. You're going to have a lovely title page. You're probably going to have a table of contents. And then you want to introduce your piece. When you introduce your piece to your readers, there are a couple of things that have to be in there. First of all, there has to be some sort of engaging couple of sentences. In our case, it's what's black and white and faster underwater than any other bird could fly in the sky? What has a terrible sense of smell but has better eyesight underwater than on land? Well, if you guessed penguin, you'd be right. See how we sort of are inviting a reader in? Okay. The next thing that needs to be in your introduction is the actual subheadings. So you have to sort of weave them in like you're sewing. You're going to sew them in to your piece. So in our case, our piece has habitats, food, body parts, and life cycle. So here it says, well, if you guessed penguin, you'd be right. In this book, we're going to teach you all about one of the most interesting birds on the planet. You will learn about where penguins live, what and how they eat, the amazing body of the penguin, and the life cycle of how penguins grow. Now, that sounds like, well, that'd be a good place to stop, but actually you want to have that one little transition sentence that gets them into the book. That's going to look something like this. So grab your sweater and let's get ready to learn about the chilly habitats of penguins. And it takes us right to our first subheading, which is habitats. Okay, so your sentence, your introduction might be, oh, do you ever think about that beginning theme song of the movie Jaws? Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. If that movie scared you about sharks, well, think again, because sharks are the intelligent, highly intelligent animals that deserve our respect. In this book, you're going to learn about the blah, the blah, and the blah, and the blah. So go ahead, grab your fins and your mask, and let's get ready to learn all about the exciting world of the shark. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing so you guys can have one last look at my beautiful face. Totally kidding. Just make sure that today on Tuesday, you're remembering to do the things that you learned yesterday, that you're going to be in keeping with, either question and answer or painting this great picture about your animal or imagining the sequence of events for this particular animal, that you're going to be making sure that you are teaching your readers all about a specific thing so that they feel the way you do about your animal. And now you're going to work on your introduction. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day.